Do you want to know how you can log into your Motilal Oswal account or your Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund account. So go ahead and click on it and scroll a bit down and click on this link. It will take you to the official login portal of Motilal Mutual Funds. Go ahead and write down your mobile number in this page, mobile number on your phone in this account, and click open Demat account if you want to open Demat account. To log in, you can choose one of these and it will take you to this portal where you can log in using your mobile number, email ID or client code. So write one of those over here in this box and then make sure it is correct. After you write down your mobile number, email ID or your client code, go ahead and write down your password. Make sure to check your password once and then click login to trade. This way you can successfully log into your Motilal Oswal Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.